Have you ever noticed that a tiny spider can make a fully grown adult jump, or that seeing a snake instantly makes your heart race, even before you know whether it's dangerous? Why? Why does your body react so quickly to creatures that are often smaller than your hand? Is it learned, or were you born with this fear? The answer takes us back millions of years to a world where one wrong step could end a human life. Imagine waking up, not in a comfortable bed, but on the ground, in the middle of a wild forest. Every rock, every tree, every patch of grass could hide something deadly. There were no flashlights, no antivenom, no emergency rooms, only your instincts. And in that world, being afraid wasn't weakness, it was survival. Scientists have long wondered why people all over the world seem to notice snakes and spiders much faster than other animals. In laboratory experiments, participants often spotted pictures of snakes more quickly than flowers, birds, or rabbits. Even infants who have never encountered a snake show increased attention when snake-like shapes appear. Researchers believe that the human brain may have evolved a specialized threat detection system for creatures that pose danger to our ancestors. This doesn't mean babies are born terrified. Instead, they may be born prepared to learn fear very quickly. It's called prepared learning. Your brain doesn't treat every danger equally. A car is far more likely to harm you today, but cars have existed for only a tiny fraction of human history. Snakes, on the other hand, shared the landscape with our ancestors for millions of years. Those who noticed them first were more likely to survive and pass their genes to the next generation. Spiders tell a similar story. Most spiders are harmless, but a small number carry dangerous venom. In prehistoric environments, avoiding spiders was often safer than trying to identify which ones were harmless. So evolution favored caution. Better to jump away than take the risk. This is known as the smoke detector principle. A smoke detector sometimes rings, even when there's no fire, because a false alarm is much safer than missing a real danger. Your brain works the same way. It would rather scare you unnecessarily than ignore a threat that could be deadly. But evolution isn't the whole story. Culture matters too. Children watch adults react. Movies portray spiders as monsters. Stories describe snakes as evil. Personal experiences can strengthen these fears. That's why one person calmly holds a snake, while another freezes just looking at a picture. Fear is built from both ancient instincts and modern experiences. Interestingly, people who grow up around harmless snakes often fear them much less. Experience can teach the brain that not every moving shape is a threat. Psychologists call this fear conditioning and fear extinction. The brain can learn fear, but it can also unlearn it. And here's something even more fascinating. Your brain often reacts before you are consciously aware of what's happening. A shadow moves, your muscles tense, your heart speeds up. Only afterward does your thinking brain ask, was that actually a snake? Millions of years of evolution still influence your body every single day. So the next time you suddenly jump away from a spider or freeze when you see a snake, remember this. Your reaction isn't just about today. It's an ancient survival system, still running inside a modern brain, a system built by countless generations who survived because they noticed danger just a little bit faster than everyone else. The forest may be gone, the predators may be fewer, but your brain still remembers a world where one careful step could mean the difference between life and death. And perhaps that's why some of humanity's oldest fears are still alive inside us today.